Hi everyone, welcome to Handicrafts A to Z channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to how to spin or wrap as much weft as possible on the shuttle. When you're working with a long shuttle and you have only 50 grams of yarn, it's very nice and convenient, and the yarn that fits it perfectly and it goes into the shed easily. And obviously when you're working with the more yarn, when you want to fit as many less shuttle changes and weft changes as possible, you want to use more yarn, of course. So in this case I have about 200 grams of weft wrapped up on this shuttle, and I've got the smaller shuttle which fits about 50 grams of cotton and viscose yarn on it wrapped up. And as you can see, this is the 50 grams, this one 250, and they're almost the same thickness. And I've already worked a little bit off this shuttle, so when I wrapped it up completely, it was about this thickness and was going into shed easily. This is the direct, the simple plain wrapping, so the maximum you can get is about 50 grams per shuttle. For the thicker one, this would triple the amount of yarn, almost triple the amount of yarn that you can fit into the small shuttle, is the 8 wrap. It's just usually what I do, just a traditional loop slip with a slip stitch. And instead of wrapping like this as you would do to wrap it as usually, you do the 8 one. I'm just trying to fit it into the camera completely. So I've got the thread coming from the right top to the right bottom, and then across the blade of the shuttle to the left top at the left bottom. Again, make a cross at the blade, and again right top, right bottom, left top, left bottom. So you spin it like this until you get about half a centimeter thickness of yarn on each side. So I got about half a centimeter of yarn wrapped up, and I turn around and make the same thing. Well, maybe the other way around, it just the way you're very comfortable with. You can start with the left top, left bottom, left top, and so on. So just like this: left top, bottom, left top, right bottom, left top, and so on. It just depends on how very convenient for yourself. And but the most important thing, you should have the cross on the blade. So I do another half centimeter of the warp here, and I turn around and make the standard wrap up here for about another centimeter, and then I continue to repeat the pattern. So it's like half a centimeter on one side, half centimeter on the other side, half centimeter in the center, and then repeat. As a result, you get three times more yarn wrapped on your shuttle that you would usually do with a standard one. So just like this, I say, this shuttle holds about 200 grams, and it still can fit into the shed, just because it's split into this one is actually split into 2, but you can do that into 3, just because the yarn is quite thick here. So I hope the video was very useful for you, and enjoy your weaving. Bye.